Want to give Manus AI a new look? Let's change the theme so your app matches your vibe. First, open Manus AI app and tap on the profile icon or menu at the top. Now go to settings and scroll down to find appearance or theme. Once you find it, tap on it and you will see options like light mode, dark mode or system default. Choose the one you prefer and it will apply instantly. You don't have to restart the app. Dark mode is easier on the eyes during late night sessions. Give it a try if you haven't yet. Do you prefer light mode or dark mode? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.